Put that up, man. Somebody.
Good morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Good, and y'all?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Y'all going hunting?
We're gonna give it a shot. Let's go, bud. Hustle up. I'm gonna do a BLT. Then you gotta try this pecan pie.
Shall I get both?
Miss Lisa, tell him about Swear's pecan pie.
Get a homemade pie, trust me.
Famous, dude.
Famous.
Famous.
I'll share yours.
You're gonna have on a piece of your own, I promise.
Well, then let me get both.
Fine, put it up here. Let's go.
Cash or card?
Do card.
1705.
All right. Here you go, man.
Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all have fun.
Y'all have a good day.
3 dark days. 3 dark days. 3 dark days since they locked me away. It's been 3 dark days.
Hey, Dad. Taking Ben hunting for the first time today. It's been a long time. Hey, you know how things have been between us. I'm hoping that getting him out here might do him some good. But anyway, I'll see you Sunday for dinner. Love you. Wish us luck. We'll need it. Bye. Put that up, man. Take that one for me. Say, Joey.
What's happening, Jason?
How you been, man?
Doing all right, buddy?
Good to see you.
Good, man. What's up, Ben?
Have
Doing
been
all right,
seeing
buddy?
any birds?
Yeah, been shooting a few, man. We doing well.
Yeah.
You ready or what?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah, Ben's ready to take some down. Let's do it.
Good, looking good in your gear, buddy. Go, we're gonna load up here. Here, Gypsy. Come on, here, come on, load up. Good girl.
You're going the west blind?
Yeah, load up, load up. Yes, sir.
Just lay your gun right here across the blind, and then we'll get in. Watch your step. A little warmer in here, isn't it?
A little bit.
And the ones that were flapping, those are called mudgers. That's from the sky. It looks like a duck flying. That's how you can tell the difference between a duck and another bird. Ducks continuously flap. It almost looks like they're flashing. About 5 minutes will be daylight.
Get down. All right, guys, let's go ahead and load up. Shooting time.
Remember everything we talked about with the gun, right?
Yep.
Ducks in the back, guys. Ducks in the back. Y'all get ready. Coming over my side. Coming over my side. Get ready. Get down.
Kill him in the back. Kill him in the back. Oh my God.
What are you doing? Why aren't you shooting?
It's like safety.
Come on, man. We talked about that. Ben, it doesn't get much better than that,
I'm
buddy.
on safety. I just forgot.
Look, it's good that you had the safety on, but as soon as you throw it up to your shoulder, you got to kick it off. We talked about it. Come on now.
Jesus.
Just want to take them off here, one at a time. Got it.
Yeah.
You actually turn it around like this now. Good. That's what this is. It's real rough and almost like a coarse sandpaper. Feel that? Just touch it. Feel it. So what they'll do is they'll eat gravel and rock, and it helps break up their food. Pretty cool, huh? Like I said, I didn't get a duck my first time either.
Hey, Ben? Ben, where you at, buddy? Ben, why don't you come outside with me?
For now,
Yeah, it'll be fine. Come on.
we can't wait a little bit till later.
Dude, you don't want to sit up in here all day. Come on, man. Grab those little brass I brought you.
Okay.
Good try there. Hey, you don't close one eye. Keep both eyes open and just see that bead at the top, all right? Give it another shot. There you go. Shake your one in.
Pull.
Whoa! That's what I'm talking about, dude. You singered it. That was awesome, man. Feel good?
Yeah.
Wanna try it again?
Yeah, sure.
21.
Pays to be the dealer. Yes, sir. Freedom and wheat, boys.
Not too bad.
Getting the hang of it there for my boy. Taking safety off.
Look at you.
Got an ace of a hole.
Hey, buddy. Ben. Wake up, man. Come on. You got hurt? Let's go. Come on. Joey's out here.
Kill him in the back.
Gypsy. First bird.
That's what it's all about.
Famous, dude. Famous. Wake up, man.
It's pretty.
Sure does. Hey, Dad. It was awesome. Ben did a great job. Chris, he taught Ben a thing or two this weekend. You would have been proud.
Come to the church in the wildwood. Oh, come to the church in the vale. No spot is so dear to my childhood as the little brown church in the vale. No
Dad,
Yeah.
how do you catch a unique rabbit?
A unique rabbit. I don't know.
Unique up one of them.
I like that.